So you've seen the results from our productivity and compliance modules where we've saved millions of dollars, but more importantly,
our aim in the maintenance module for Redzone was to take it to the next level, to be able to be more finite in how we do that maintenance.
In a way where they start to see, okay, I own my equipment, I really own how this thing is running, and if there's anything going on, you know, shoot a sense out that something's going on, right? I hear something, I see something.
When you invest millions of dollars in equipment and you take care of it, it will last a long time, it will perform better, and that's the objective.
So you don't need to be an expert mechanic to do the maintenance module, right? It can be your operator. So you just have to teach them how to use the sensors the right way, right? And deliver.
For example, we have line techs and we have line operators who are doing maintenance tasks that maintenance mechanics used to do in the past.
When we selected the doctor in the vials area, right, the criteria was to have somebody who you know has some respect from the team, who's well established, good attitude.
The doctors have really embraced their role. Them being able to come into a meeting, the operations meeting, and to be able to share what's happening with respect to their responsibilities has been tremendous.
So if the operators are doing the maintenance in the morning, there's less downtime on the line because sometimes they'll catch some stuff that I wouldn't see.
So the operator no need to guessing what I'm going to check. He's already put it in the table for me.
If we can see that something might happen, we are doing those maintenance before it happens.
With that happening now, we have a lot more personal commitment to the equipment from a lot more people.
Shahzad has really emerged as a leader. He knows what he's doing, and the people respect him because they can talk and communicate very well.
He's always been that type of interactive person anyway, but this is just giving him another channel to communicate with the operators.
And bringing maintenance at this point is definitely a home run, right? So we've seen targets that we set up in vials, right?
We achieved the 9%, actually 9% uplift in productivity. We achieved 75% reduction in downtime and also 8.5% in increase in output.
And that's been terrific, and that's why we're going to continue this journey, and it truly is a journey.